Hi friends, this is Subrat here and this is the 46th video on my Python series, and in this video I am going to cover about Python tuple slicing. As you have already seen, in case of string and list type, we can slice the range of values from inside the list or string. So that same concept also apply here in case of tuple. We can also slice the range of value inside the tuple. So in this case, suppose I have my tuple program is, and I want to slice the range of value. That means from index of 1 to index of 4. So it will give me the ROG. So let us do that with some examples. Suppose I have tuple, and inside that I have some values inside it. So slicing syntax we have already seen. So I can use my start index colon end index and number of steps you want to jump. This is your slicing syntax for every data structure. This you need to keep in your mind. And let us slice the value from 4 to 9. So I can use like this tple. I have to use square brackets only. So let us calculate what is the index position of 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. It is present at index of 3 colon end index. So end index will always be end index minus 1. Actual index will be end index minus 1. So let's see what is the index of 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Index of 9 is 7. So my end index will be 8 here. So it will go till 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this way you can slice the elements or range of value from the tuple variable. Let us use the steps tple. Suppose I want from 0th index to 12th index and step up 2. Let's see. So here you can see it is giving me 13586 and hello. So let's verify that. At first it will go to 0th index, then it will jump 2 step. The landing step will be 3, that's why giving 3, then 4, 5, 5, then 7, 8, 8, then 9, 6, 6, then 3, hello. Hello will be printed. Suppose you are not passing any start index and end index, tple, and we are not passing anything, it will give you the whole tuple value. By default it will consider start index as 0 and end index will be the your end location value. Suppose I have tple of only end index till 5 I want to go. The start index will be your beginning position and end index will be end index minus 1, which is 4th position. So we can also access by using the negative index also tple. So you, for negative index accessing, one point you need to keep in your mind: the first index should always be less in value. That means in case of negative index, so here we have already seen first index will always be less in number. So here 3 is lesser than 8, here 0 is lesser than 12, here also 0 is lesser than 5. So in case of negative index also, I have to put less index location inside the start index. Suppose I want minus 5 to minus 1. So minus 5 is lesser than minus 1. That's why it will work here. So it will go from 8, 9, 6, 3. So end index will always be end index minus 1. That means minus 1 equal to minus 2. It will go till minus 2. This is my minus 1 and this is my minus 2. 3 is my minus 2. That's why it's going till minus here 3. And you can also jump the number of steps So it is jumping 2 steps. That's why it is giving me 8 and 6 only. So friends, this is all about Python tuple slicing technique. I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt regarding the slicing technique, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.